Yes.
You do? Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there'll be no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around or smoking of any kind, and please be properly addressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Buenos días todos y bienvenidos a la Corte del Honorable Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estén esperando por su caso, siéntense tranquilos, manténganse callados. No permitimos que estén ni hablando, ni comiendo, ni tomando, ni mascando chicle, que estén vestidos correctamente y esperen a que se llame su caso.
Okay, now you're in.
Oh, thank you.
Ms.
Oh, wait.
Billabrew, can you raise your right hand?
You have to raise your right hand.
No, Ms. Billabrew. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, thank you very much. We'll start with Mr. Romero Alana. Case number is the City of Detroit. Mr. Romero Alana. Case number SP 127-35251.
Así que vamos. ¿Necesita usted intérprete, señora Ayala?
No, estoy bien, gracias.
No, I'm okay, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Ayala, I have that you completed your community service, and we're going to close out your case, sir. So we appreciate that service.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great.
You turned it in?
Hmm?
Did you turn it into
Yeah.
court?
Yeah.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
You turned it into court.
No, they.
Okay, let's call this City of Detroit
Oh,
versus Cole Benjamin. Case number SP 127-29161. Ms. Benjamin, can you state your name for the record, please?
Nicole Benjamin.
Hello. Hello,
All right,
sir.
hold on a second, sir.
Hello.
Hold on. Ms. Benjamin, I think that you came up short.
Yes, sir. Due to extenuating circumstances, and I wanted to know if you could please allow an extension because a large tree branch fell on my vehicle and
Yeah,
totaled it.
I saw that. I'm sorry about that. All right, how much more time will you need, ma'am?
Honestly, just like a week or two, if you can.
Are you sure? I don't want to put you in a situation where you're not gonna be successful.
Well, whatever time you can allow me, then I will greatly appreciate it.
Well, tell me what you need. If a week or two is fine, I'll give you that. You need more than that, let me know.
Probably maybe 3 weeks, just to ensure that I'll complete it fully this time.
All right, I'm gonna give you 30 days. I'm gonna give you 8. I'm gonna give you till August 10th.
Hello?
I'll give you till August the 10th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Can you give me that summary, please? Just like you did now, you get in and get out, you get here early, all right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right, who's on that phone at 313-367-7457?
Just a minute.
¿Quién es la persona que tiene el teléfono 313-367-7457?
Hey, Mr. Miguel Alvo.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you, sir. This is
Good
the
morning,
city of-
sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Miguel Santiago Olivo. Case numbers SP 128-96831, SP 128-96941. You were ordered to, how many hours was that? You were ordered to do 18 hours of community service. You did that community service. For that,
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna dismiss the one charge, and we're gonna close out the other one. I'm gonna close out SP 96831. And I'm gonna dismiss SP 128-96941. Thank you for that. If nothing further, you have a very good day.
Thank you, sir. I have one question. Is that all the tickets I owed?
That's all the tickets you owe here. You have another case, a more serious case that's pending. Do you know the court date for that?
No, sir. I'm on probation now. That should have been already taken care of.
Okay, well, if that's taken care of, then that's taken care of. I just wanted to let you know if you know about that one.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, who's that?
Hey, this is Israel. I have court hearing for 8:30 this morning.
Okay, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
All right, Daniel Lopez.
Yes,
Good morning to you, sir.
good morning.
What's your middle name?
Diga su nombre.
Daniel Cruz López.
Daniel Lopez.
Cruz Lopez. This is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Cruz Lopez, case number SP 1327089, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1327151. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., P28880, on behalf of Mr. Lopez.
Your Honor, I don't know if Mr. Lopez needs my services.
Oh, you can inquire.
Señor Lopez, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
Sí, seguro.
Yes, of course. He's indicated he'd like, yes, of course, the interpreter services.
Okay,
May I repeat what you just said, Your Honor?
yeah, you want me to do it over again?
No, I can do it. La ciudad de Detroit llama el caso de Daniel Cruz López, números de caso SP 132-7089, cargos 1 y 2, y caso número SP 132710551, que todos se presenten para que consten en el acta. Está presente el abogado Elwood Berry.
All right, that's for purposes of arraignment, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Y para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, señor Berry, ¿qué dice usted? Su señoría, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos y vamos a guardar silencio.
All All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, put a $0 bond on the cases. Your offer today, sir, is pleading to the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. It'll be 12 hours of community service, sir. We'll dismiss that upon completion of the 12 hours of community service, and the other two cases will be dismissed today.
Bueno, señora, entonces lo que podemos hacer es vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted. Le damos una fianza de $0 y la oferta para usted hoy de parte de la fiscalía es esta. La fiscalía ofrece modificar el cargo a este cargo, a que usted le permitió a un chofer sin licencia a conducir. Y entonces la pena serían 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Una vez que cumpla usted 12 horas de servicio comunitario, el caso quedaría desestimado y los otros dos cargos contra usted quedan desestimados hoy mismo.
You have an absolute right to a trial, sir, and you can speak with Mr. Berry in the breakout room if you want to allow him to make an informed decision.
Señor, usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio y si usted quiere hablar con su abogado defensor en un cuarto privado, el señor Berry, te permitimos tiempo para llegar a una decisión.
What would you like to do?
¿Qué quiere usted hacer, señor?
Here, Mr. Berry, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him and you can speak with him and go over the offer.
Yes, sir.
My name is Jason, and I'm trying to figure out if I was supposed to be here this morning.
Yes, you're supposed to be here this morning, sir. Good morning. All right.
Hello.
Who's on the phone there at 313-367-7457?
Hi, Grizzard.
Bizarre?
Yes.
Morning to you. Okay. All right. iPhone. With,
Thank you.
Who's on the iPhone that hasn't had named themselves? You have to unmute yourself and speak, please.
My name is Jason. I'm trying to figure out if I was supposed to be here.
I've got you down. What's your middle name?
Amir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, good morning. Where's Trace and Amir?
Right here. The blank D. My camera's bad. It's the blank D.
Your camera is bad. I don't believe it.
It's the black D.
Where is you? Where I need to see your face.
My camera really doesn't work good. Sorry, I can't show you. Feel me?
You turn it on and we'll see how it works.
Your Honor, may the interpreter inform Mr. Lopez that he did not go into the breakout room and maybe explain to him how to do it?
Yes.
Señor López, necesitamos que usted acepte la invitación para que pase a una sala privada de consulta. ¿Sabe cómo hacerlo?
Sí, yo creo que sí.
Ajá, pues.
Is this Mr.? Where are we?
Cuando reciba el aviso, que pase a una sala para reunirse donde dice join.
All right, you go in there, Mr. Berry.
You see me now?
Yeah, I can see you now. Your camera, put a shirt on.
Camera only work one way.
It works good enough.
It work one way though, you feel me? I can't see you.
Put a shirt on. Put a shirt on, sir.
All right.
How old are you?
I'm 20, I'm about to be 21.
You look like you're headed to the penitentiary.
That's a bad thing to say, sir.
I mean, it's just what it looks like. I'm just calling it like I see it.
You bold. You bold. Nobody aims for the penitentiary.
I hope not. What do you have a shirt on, sir?
Yes, I do. I'm still not gonna be able to see you though. So
That's all right. I need to see you. You don't have to worry about seeing me. If you want to come down, I can make you come into the courtroom.
you said when you come down, you can make a report on
I said I can make you come to the court, down to the courthouse, and then you can see me.
I'm straight. All right. I'm good on that.
It's not up to you. Let's get back in the camera view. I need it. Where's Mr. Goss?
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. This Mr. Layton guy, Lanton guy, got 2 loitering charges, the trespassing that is in here. You need to get yourself to another courtroom, sir. Miss Judge Bryant, you have another warrant out. And you're in Judge Larry Williams' courtroom. You need some intervention. He has a default judgment for possession. I guess it's a civil infraction. We'll set that aside so he can be heard on that. All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Drayson. Lance, case numbers U63 453 422. 263 641 122. SP 1322 9921. U59 765 721. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Lanton. Mr. Lanton, please state your name for the record.
Drayson Lanton.
As it relates to arraignment, counselor,
My client will stand mute, wait formal reading of the information.
all right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give him a $0 bond. I don't know what Mr. Goss is gonna offer him. We probably need to get him back on a day where he's not on the community court docket. What's going on with you, sir? Are you have stable living?
Honestly, I started working, but you feel me? I asked for 2 days off, so they fired me. But now I'm working at the Radiator Exchange part-time. I'm the cleanup crew. I found a place to stay in. I have to pay rent every first of the month, but you feel me? It's at least to one of my friends. Feel me? I'm trying to get myself together. The police took my ID
Let me ask you
and I
this, sir. Do you have a high school diploma, sir?
no, I had too many elective credits. I could go back if you want me to.
No, I want to know if you want to go back. All of this stuff, we're here to try to help you, sir, if you're trying to get help. But with these kind of cases that you have, like I say, you're on the fast track. You're only 20 years old, 21 years old. You're on the fast track to going to the penitentiary. Do you understand that? Mr. Lanton. All right, I don't know what happened to his device.
Hello, I'm still here.
I think his device is being held up. Do you understand? Did you hear me, sir? All right, let's get him a pretrial date outside of the community court date.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me, sir? Mr. Lanton?
Yes.
All right, we'll pass the matter until he can get his
Tuesday, September 13th.
Buenos días.
Morning.
Hola, me llamo Marco Echeverría.
Hold on a second, sir, on the iPhone.
Espere
Hold on.
tantito, señor Echevarría, espere tantito.
My signal keep going in and out.
I know, I understand that. Listen, sir, did you hear what I said to you?
No.
I said, we're here to help you if you want some help. But with the kind of cases that you have, you're only 21 years old, you're on the fast track to going to the penitentiary. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, but I want none of them things. I promise
hope
you.
you don't. I seriously hope you don't want any of those things. But that's what it's looking like.
That's when y'all finna see me too.
No, we're not gonna send you there. You're gonna send yourself there if you keep up with this type of getting these type of cases.
I promise you.
Listen, I'm gonna have you back. You gotta get a better device. What I'll do, Miss Harris, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with him. He's got to get to Larry Williams' courtroom. He has a warrant out. No, he has a Judge Bryant's courtroom. He has a warrant out. I need you to get him the information for that. And Larry Williams, he has had an arraignment already. And it looks like he has scheduled for arraignment on 7/7. And I don't have any other, he failed to appear. So he needs to get to Larry Williams' courtroom immediately. And he needs to get to Judge Bryant's courtroom immediately. Please speak to him. We're gonna give him a pretrial date in here. We're gonna recall the warrants, give him a $0 bond. We're gonna give him a pretrial date in here on 9/2022. I think we lost him again.
Zoom user, there's no smoking in the court.
You said you was gonna put me in a breakout room?
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. I just went over with a very good lawyer. I want you to speak to this lawyer, okay? And I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You have to get to some other people's courtrooms immediately, all right? So you got all that information for him, Attorney Harris?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you give him phone numbers and stuff? Do you have phone numbers for those individuals and Zoom numbers?
Yes, sir.
probably needs to get in contact with those people today, and he might need some help getting in contact with those people.
Not a problem, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Join the room, Mr. Lanton, and speak with the lawyer, okay? Pre-trial 9/13/2022 at 8:30. I don't know if he can, I don't know if he's got the, can you join the room, Mr. Lanton? All right.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Counselor. Whose client do you have? What's your client's name? Mr. Biscuit. All right, he's gone to another.
Hello, no, I'm not going.
No, Mr. Lanton, you need to join that Zoom room.
I left the area to get a better signal.
All right, go join the room. Can you join the room?
I don't know how to do that.
It should have you a prompt up there saying join Zoom. Join breakout room 3.
No, you don't show.
It's up there somewhere. Here, let me put you in breakout room 4, see if that, do you see it now?
No se mete ahí, no lo van a hacer.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Señor López, le dimos a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Licenciado, ¿qué quieren hacer?
Your Honor, Mr. Lopez would avail himself of the offer to enter the plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive his vehicle.
Su señoría, el señor López quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de la fiscalía, el cargo siendo que le permite a una persona sin licencia a conducir.
Okay.
Okay.
¿Puedo hacer una pregunta?
May I ask a question?
Certainly.
Claro.
¿Puedo pagar los tickets y no aceptar los 12 horas de comunitario?
Could I just pay for the ticket and not accept doing 12 hours of community service?
You'll have to come back. We'll give them a free trial date, 9/13/2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Sí, pero va a tener que venir, regresar para otra audiencia. Le damos, si quiere hacer eso, entonces tiene que regresar el 13 de septiembre del 2022 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
No, mejor no.
Oh, no, I'd rather not.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Entonces, ¿usted quiere aceptar la oferta que se le ha propuesto, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir.
Ya usted puede bajar la mano, señor.
Sir, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿comprende usted que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito menor puede resultar en consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute, you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted que la pena máxima para un delito menor puede ser 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you any, you understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia el derecho de tener un juicio. ¿Entiende usted eso?
Sí.
Yes.
No, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya se ha dicho y que conste en el acta?
No.
No.
Okay, I'm going to draw your attention back to March the 11th, 2022, at around 3:45 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lafayette and Green Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Así que, señor, le llamo la atención a la fecha del 11 de marzo del 2022, aproximadamente a las 3:45 de la tarde, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Lafayette y de Green. ¿Tuvo usted la ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
On that date and time, sir, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y para esa fecha y en ese momento el policía le preguntó a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente.
Sí.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señor?
No.
No.
And why is that?
¿Y por qué?
Porque no tengo la licencia.
Because I don't have a license.
All right, very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and order your client to do 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss upon completion of 12 hours of community service.
Muy bien, entonces le voy a permitir a su cliente que se declare culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir. Le doy a él como pena 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y cuando él haya cumplido sus horas de servicio comunitario, este caso queda desestimado.
Okay.
Okay.
And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other two matters now.
Y si el abogado está dispuesto, está de acuerdo, entonces los otros dos casos también quedan desestimados ahora.
Está bien.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estoy de acuerdo, su señoría.
Okay, I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Necesito, señor, que usted me dé a mí un buen número de teléfono para usted.
Okay.
Okay.
248 491 6801.
248-491-6801.
All right, I need you to take this number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Ahora, señor, yo necesito que usted apunte este número de teléfono. Es el número de teléfono para el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. ¿Listo?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Trace 879-2155.
313-879-2155.
Gracias, lo tengo.
Thank you. I got it.
I need you to call them this afternoon and set up those community service hours. I'm going to have you back on August 3rd, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. for a review. If those community service hours are complete by that time, then we'll dismiss the, all right, sir?
Muy bien, entonces yo necesito que usted llame ese número de teléfono esta misma tarde para que pueda hacer los arreglos para servir las horas de servicio comunitario. Y le voy a pedir a usted que usted regrese el 3 de agosto a las 8:25 de la mañana. El propósito va a ser para yo revisar el caso para ver si usted ha cumplido con sus horas.
Okay.
Okay.
¿Siempre por videollamada?
So I do it through a phone call or by video.
You do it by phone call.
usted hace una llamada.
Okay. Okay, gracias.
Your Honor, I'm not sure if he's asking about August 3rd or to this afternoon for the phone call.
You can inquire.
Señor, usted estaba preguntando si el 3 de agosto hace una llamada o video.
Sí, estoy preguntando que si el 3 de agosto va a ser el videollamada o qué es.
Yes, I am asking if on August 3rd I can simply call in or do I need to appear by video?
It doesn't matter which way you do it that way, sir, as long as you complete the community service hours.
No importa si usted use su teléfono o cómo se presente, pero lo importante es que usted cumpla con las 12 horas para el 3 de agosto poder decirnos que lo ha hecho.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me. I'm trying to see if I'm set in this courtroom. It's Drayson Lanton.
Mr. Lane, did you talk to the, all right, sir, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lopez, you're free to leave.
Señor López, si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, ya se puede ir.
No, solamente.
No,
Ya está. Ya está bien, digo.
No, I'm saying everything's fine.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Que pase usted muy buen día, señor.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Your Honor, with regards to Mr. Lanton, he was giving the Zoom IDs and the phone numbers to both courtrooms. That would be Judge Bryant and Judge Williams. And he was advised to call and or Zoom into both of those courtrooms.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Landon. Mr. Landon, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
I want you to call there right now, sir. Both of those numbers. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that you're supposed to be back here in this courtroom on September the 13th. Is that correct? At 8:30 a.m.
September 13th. I got you.
You got me?
Yep, I got you.
Okay, listen, sir. Keep in mind what I told you. Understand that?
Okay.
So I don't know if it's the crowd that you hang around, but the decisions that it appears that you're making are gonna end up where I told you it's gonna end up. If you keep on making those type of decisions, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So call over there right now. If you need some help from our court, you can always call my courtroom, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. I'll see you back. Write that date down, September 13th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, September 13th. I got you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good morning to you.
This is Jake Babbage. He's the intern.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Babbage. How are you?
Just
Counselor? All right, are you a lawyer now?
Hey, yeah.
Oh.
Just finished your admission.
All right, great. And go green.
Go away.
All right.
Hello?
All right, Mr. Latham, you're free to leave, sir. Call those courtrooms like I told you.
Hello?
Okay. Let's move on. Sean Grizzard.
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
Morning to you, ma'am.
Hello?
Let's get an updated offer for her. I'm gonna set aside those defaults on the 22 cases. Let's get Counselor, who's your client? Mr.
Judge, are you speaking to me? Marco
Yes.
Bezbekis. Good morning, Your Honor. Jerry Camarena is my client.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jerry Camarena, case number SP 1274653, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 127466001, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Marco Bezbekis on behalf of Mr. Camarena, they're sitting here to my left, your right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for arraignment, counselor. Go ahead.
I would like to waive formal reading of the charges, and Mr. Cabrera is requesting to stand mute at this time.
You're going inaudible, counselor.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I would like to waive formal reading of the charges, and Mr. Camarena would like to stand mute at this time.
Okay, we're going to enter a non-guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give him a $0 bond. This is community court, counselor. Your client either normally I would not have this case because his last name doesn't begin with a GL or O. So anybody's last name begins with a GL or O comes to me. However, your client comes to me because apparently your client got this ticket out of the 4th precinct, and all the tickets out of the 4th precinct come to me. So he has an option. If he wants to clear this matter up, he'll have to do 12 hours of community service. We'll offer him an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. We'll dismiss the other 2 matters today, and we'll dismiss the other matter upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. Your client has an absolute right to a trial. If your client wants to fight the ticket, we're going to send him off to his alphabet judge to do so. So you can get a minute and discuss that with him. If he wants to do the 12 hours of community service, we'll take his plea right now.
Your Honor, he would like to avail himself to that. We've discussed that option. I'm very familiar with your court. I've discussed the possible option with him, and he would like to avail himself to that.
Okay, very well. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
I can't hear you, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, sir, I'm going to draw your attention back to November the 11th, 2021, at around 2:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gardner and Lawndale, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
On that date, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
Yeah, I didn't have it on me.
Your license, you didn't have it on?
Yeah.
Was it valid?
I had to sleep. And you know what I'm talking about.
Mr. Cameron stated that you could produce.
You're going inaudible, counselor. We can't hear you.
Sorry,
Yeah, I couldn't provide him with the ID at that time.
I can't hear what you're saying, sir.
I said I couldn't provide him with the ID at the time.
I still don't understand what you're saying. You got to get a better device. Something's going on with their device.
Your Honor, can you hear us better now?
A little bit. Go ahead.
Yeah, I didn't have my ID at the time. Or my driver's license.
Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yeah, I have one. I have one now.
Did you have a valid driver's license on that day?
No.
So it's not because you didn't have your ID, it's because you didn't have a valid driver's license, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
All right. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. With stipulation of probable cause, counselor, I'm gonna dismiss the other 2 counts.
Yes, Judge.
I can't hear you, guys.
I said, yes, Judge. We'll stipulate the probable cause.
there's still something wrong with that speaker, but I heard that. You get that, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, barely, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna order you to do 12 hours of community service out this completion. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313-912-2695.
All right, I'm gonna give you the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. That is 313-879-2155. I need you to contact them this afternoon and set up those hours. I'm giving you till August the 3rd, 2022 at 8:25 a.m. to have those hours completed. If you have those hours completed, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a great day, sir. You and your counsel.
Thank you, Judge.
Counsel?
Hello, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, this is James Cole. Could I get that client's name again?
That client was Jerry Camarena, Camarena. Okay, let's go to the, who just called my name?
That was me, Your Honor.
Who's the Zoom user? What's your name, sir?
Cristobal Paz.
Okay, you didn't finish your community service.
No, sir.
City of Detroit versus Gustavo Paz, case number SP 126-46591. State your name for the record, sir.
Cristobal Paz.
All right, how much time do you need?
Give me like 3 weeks. I'll be done, sir.
All right, I'm gonna give you a review for August the 10th, 2022 at 8:25. Have those hours done so we can close this out, all right?
Yes, sir. I appreciate you very much, sir.
Have a great day, sir.
Excuse me, my name is
Carlos Cabrera. Who's on that iPhone down there?
¿Quién está usando el teléfono iPhone que está aquí en la pantalla? ¿Quién es?
Yo estoy usando
I'm using one.
Wilfredo.
Marco Echeverría.
Quítese la cachucha, señor.
What's your name?
¿Cuál es su nombre?
Marco Echeverría.
Marco Echeverría.
City of Detroit versus Marco Echeverria Garcia, case number SP 132-35471, SP 132-36351. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Marco Echeverría García, números de caso SP 132-35471 y SP 132-36351. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
All right, I don't need an appearance.
No.
Mr. Echeverria Garcia, I see that you were ordered to do 18 hours of community service. You went over and above, so we appreciate that. You did 20 hours. We're gonna close out SP 132-35471, and we're gonna dismiss SP 132-36351.
Sí, señor. Veo que usted le habíamos pedido que cumpliera 18 horas de servicio comunitario y usted hizo más de lo que le pedimos y lo agradecemos. Usted cumplió 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Así que lo que vamos a hacer es que vamos ahora a cerrar el caso SP 132-35471 y vamos a desestimar el caso SP 132-6351.
Okay,
Yes.
sir, if it's further, you have a very good day.
Y si no tiene nada más que decir, señor, le deseamos a usted buen día.
Entonces ya queda todo, ya todo quitado.
And so everything now is, charges removed.
Yes.
Sí.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Carlos Cabrera.
My name is Carlos Cabrera.
Cabrera.
Cabrera?
Cabrera.
Carlos Cabrera.
Hello, Your Honor.
All right, hold on a second.
Espera un momentito.
Castillano.
Sí.
¿Es Castellano, Cabrera Castellano?
Castellano.
Yes, that is so.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Buenos días a usted, señor.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
On that iPad, he's really up next. The young man on the iPad, Lorenzo's iPad.
El señor que está usando el iPad con el nombre de Lorinda. ¿Quién
Oh,
es
sí.
usted?
Soy Wilfredo Ratliff.
Oh, yes, I am Wilfredo Ratcliffe.
Yeah.
Wilfredo Ratliff Benito.
Buezo.
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 All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Wilfredo Ratliff Buezo, case number SP 134-34821. State your name for the record, sir.
Así que llamamos el caso de Wilfredo Ratliff Buezo, número de caso SP 134-34821. Diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, señor.
Mi nombre es Wilfredo Ratliff Buezo.
My name is Wilfredo Ratliff Buezo.
Okay, I ordered you to do 8 hours of community service for SP 134-3821. You've completed those 8 hours of community service. We thank you for that. We're going to close that matter out.
Bien, así que nosotros le habíamos pedido a usted que cumpliera 8 horas de servicio comunitario para el caso número SP 134-34821 y veo que usted las ha cumplido. Le damos las gracias y vamos ya a cerrar ese caso.
However, you have another court date. You got some more tickets, sir.
Sin embargo, usted tiene otra fecha de corte pendiente. Me parece que usted le dieron más boletas de infracción, señor.
Sí, me dieron una otra infracción y yo quería preguntarle al señor juez si podía aprovechar a tomar mi caso o si lo podíamos solucionar ese caso en este momento. No sé
Yes, I was given another ticket, Your Honor, and I was going to talk to you about that and ask you if we could take care of this case or if we could have it resolved here as well.
No, this is going to Judge Ford, Geraldine Bledsoe Ford. You have an arraignment on.
No.
You have an arraignment on 9/27/2022 at 1:30 p.m.
No, señor, este caso va a pasar ahora a la juez Geraldine Ford y va a ser la fecha del 27 de septiembre de este año 2022 Y el propósito ese día va a ser la lectura de cargos. Va a ser a la 1:30 de la tarde.
Ok,
Oh, okay.
muchas gracias.
You have the phone number over there?
¿Tiene usted un número de teléfono ¿tiene el teléfono de ellos?
No,
No.
All right, their number is 313-965-2291.
Apunta el número de teléfono de ellos. El otro juez es 313-965-2291.
okay, gracias, lo tengo.
Okay, thank you, I got it.
The Zoom ID is 360-335-0000.
Para que se presente por Zoom, ponga este número. El número es 360-335-0000. Para presentarse por Zoom.
4 ceros, ¿verdad? Al final.
4 zeros, right?
4 zeros.
4 ceros.
Ok.
Okay.
Okay, sir, if it's nothing further, you have a great day. Good luck to you.
Bien, señor, y si no tiene nada más que decir, le deseo muy buen día y le deseo buena suerte.
No, gracias a usted, su señoría. Que tenga
No,
un
I
lindo
want
día
to thank
también.
you, Your Honor, and I want to wish you a good day.
Thank you so much.
Muchísimas gracias.
Ok.
Hola, buenos días.
Hello, good morning.
Tengo una corte a las 8:30.
I have a court date at 8:30.
What's your name?
¿Cuál es su nombre?
Matilda Chavez.
Matilda Chavez.
I haven't. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Buenos días a usted, señora.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Sean Gazar. Case numbers SP 11008081, SP 1309721, counts 1 and counts 2, U57058220, 22737-129, counts 1 and counts 2, and 22737-1301. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello. Hello.
Junior, on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir.
Hi, Sean Grizzard.
Okay, as for purposes of arraignment, counselor,
You would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
all right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give her a $0 bond. I don't have an offer in the file for your client because it is asked of your client to take the Michigan defensive driving course.
Okay, how do I do that?
All right, let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. Mr. Barry, did you see my chat? I don't think Ms. Gazar can see the chat because she's calling in on the phone. You can collect that information and give that information to her verbatim so she can get to the class and she can take the class. That would be much appreciated, all right?
All right.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, ma'am. I'm gonna give you I'm gonna give you a pretrial date. That's not.
You want it on a Wednesday?
No, I don't want it on a Wednesday. I don't want it so
Far out.
close. I want it further. Well, this
You
is.
use 9/13, that's that.
All right, 9/13 is good.
That's a big day, so.
All right, I'm gonna give her a pretrial date of 9/13. Two at 8:30. You speak with Attorney Berry in the breakout room. He's gonna give you the specifics on that class. Take that class, take it seriously, come back in here and give us what you know about the class and what you learned and try to get the most favorable offer from the city attorney as you can, all right?
Okay.
I'm gonna join the room and speak with the lawyer. She's in there now. All right, let's move on. And I'm setting aside those defaults for her on those 2 civil infractions.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Might want to tell her to take the, you might want to tell her she's gone.
Yes,
All right, let's move on. Let's call Israel Camarena. Israel Camarena here, or was that the other Camarena?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
I don't see 2 Camarenas on here. Though.
Yes, sir.
Israel,
It was
okay,
Gary.
Israel Camarena. All right. I do see 2. That's what they say is your middle name. Angel Israel. Israel Angel. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Israel Camarena Angel, case number SP 1277811 and SP 127736621. Appearance for the record, please.
Jerica Harris on behalf of Israel Camarena Angel. Please state your name.
You need an interpreter, sir?
No, sir.
Intérprete? No. No, sir.
All right. As for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
My client will stand mute, waive formal reading of the information, Your Honor.
All right, sir, you have 2 options. You have 2 options. You can either do community service to clear this up, or you can go fight the ticket with your alphabet judge. What would you like to do? You're out of Southwest Detroit as well. You would normally not be with me, but today is the community court date. I'll offer your client allowing 12 hours of community service, dismiss upon completion of 12 hours of community service, and we'll save them the points on that improper lane use and dismiss that today. Well, what would you like to do, sir? Or you can go fight the ticket at your alphabet judge. What would you like to do?
I would like to take the community service.
All right, can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, sir, I'm going to draw your attention back to November the 10th, 2021 at around 6:57 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and I-94, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes, sir.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Because at the time I did not have my license yet.
You have a license now, sir?
Yes, sir.
Run his driver's license, please.
Where? Is someone sitting here first?
Officer DeBosco, good morning to you.
Can you tell him to bring me the judge's?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hearing on Ahmad.
One is Frank Reed.
Yes, Ahmad. Ahmad is last name.
Is Juan Salam.
Yes.
I don't think he showed up yet.
Yeah.
Okay. I have another courtroom I need to sign in to.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. I'll be back.
Have a good day. All right, I'll see you soon. Okay, his driver's license is valid. I will offer you now 8 hours of community service, and we'll amend that improper lane use to blocking traffic, and we will dismiss the other matter.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, and will your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna, in lieu of fines and costs, I'm gonna offer you 8 hours of community service to do what you elected to do, and I'm gonna dismiss the other matter. I'm gonna give you a review date on 8/3/2022 at 8:25 a.m. I need a good phone number from you, sir, please.
313-920-8467.
Okay, you have an ink pen, sir?
Give me one moment. Yes, sir.
All right, 313-879-2155.
879
2155.
2159.
2155.
2155.
Yeah, get in touch with Mr. Phillips over there at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon and set those hours up, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Give you till August the 3rd to complete them, all right?
Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hello.
You too.
Hello.
What's your name, ma'am? This
¿Cuál
is
es su
Gazar.
nombre?
What happened to Grove, Drayton Grove? He was here. All right, let's move on. Kevin Robbins. What's his name? His name is Carlos Cabrera Castillano.
Es Carlos Cabrera Castillano, ¿no? Yes.
Yeah. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Carlos Cabrera Castillano. Case number SP 1269853, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso del señor Carlos Cabrera Castellano, números de caso SP 1269853, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que puedan constar en el acta.
Mi nombre es Carlos Cabrera Castellanos.
My name is Carlos Cabrera Castellanos.
On behalf of Mr. Castro, the defendant, Elwood S. Berry Jr.
Y representando al acusado, soy el abogado defensor Elwood S. Jr. Elwood Berry Jr.
All right, ask for case number SP 1269849. I'm going to set aside the default, allow your client to be heard.
Bueno, voy a poner al lado el caso que se ha quitado para que podamos escuchar a su cliente.
Sir, you have the option of either fighting the case or doing 12 hours of community service, and we'll dismiss the cases. If you want to fight the case, we're going to send you off to your alphabet judge if you don't want to do the community service.
Bueno, señor, usted tiene esta opción. Usted puede aceptar que le demos 12 horas de servicio comunitario y una vez que las haya cumplido, su caso queda desestimado. O si usted quiere pelear el caso, lo mandamos al juez que le va a tocar a usted según la primera letra de su apellido.
No, acepto los cargos.
No, I'd like to accept the charges.
Want to do the community service, sir?
Así que usted quiere hacer servicio comunitario, señor.
Está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, sir. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Bien, señor, ¿puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Lo juro.
I swear it.
Now you can put your hand down, sir.
Ya usted puede bajar la mano, señor.
Now, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y comprende usted, señor, que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito menor puede causarle problemas con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Y comprende usted que la pena máxima posible en este caso serían 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio?
Sir, do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Señor, comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Sí, sí, lo comprendo.
Yes, yes, I understand that.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia el derecho de un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos dicho y que consta en el acta?
No, todo está bien.
No, no, that's okay.
Okay, I'm going to draw your attention back to October the 28th, 2021, at around 12:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Buchanan Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que, señor, entonces le llamo usted la atención a la fecha del 28 de octubre del año 2021, aproximadamente a las 12:35 de la tarde en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Livernois y Buchanan. ¿Tuvo usted la oportunidad de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Es correcto.
That is correct.
Did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y ese policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir? Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer. ¿Es cierto, señor?
Es cierto.
That is true.
And why is that?
¿Y por qué es eso?
Porque el sistema no me permite tener licencia, puesto que tengo un proceso con migración.
I couldn't hear all of it clearly, Your Honor. I heard the following. The state does not allow me to have a license anymore. I have a case in immigration.
Okay, very well, sir. I'm going to accept your plea to the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. With the
Muy bien.
stipulation of cause, I'm going to dismiss the other two matters.
So
Bien,
stipulated, Your Honor.
Entonces acepto su declaración al cargo modificado que usted le permitió a un chofer sin licencia a conducir, y si el abogado defensor está de acuerdo, entonces los otros dos casos quedan desestimados. Estoy de acuerdo, su señoría.
Okay, sir. I'm going to dismiss the other two matters. All right. Sir, I need a good phone number from you.
Bien, señora, así que los otros dos asuntos quedan desestimados y necesito que usted me dé a mí un buen número de teléfono para usted.
313-799-6012.
Breaking up.
Your Honor, may I repeat that back to the defendant to make sure I got that correct?
Correct, please.
Señor, usted dijo 313-799-6012.
Sí.
Yes, 313-799-6012.
All right. He's got to get in contact with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I'm going to give him a review date of August the 3rd, 2022, to complete those community service hours, and I will order him to do the 12 hours of community service and dismiss upon completion. The number at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center is 313-879-2155. Contact Ms. Buenteo over there, please.
Bien, señor. Entonces, le vamos a dar a usted 12 horas de servicio comunitario que tiene que cumplir. Quiero que usted regrese aquí el 3 de agosto del 2022 para que yo pueda revisar el caso para ver que usted las haya cumplido. Tan pronto usted termine sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario, el caso queda desestimado. Necesito que hoy mismo usted llame al Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit y que pida hablar con la señorita Carmencita Buentello. Este es el número de teléfono, 313-879-2155.
If you don't have any further questions, sir.
313-879-2155.
Did you say 313-879-2155?
Sí.
Yes.
El nombre es Carmencita, ¿qué, perdón?
And her name is Carmencita, what is it?
Buenteo.
Buentello.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have those completed by August the 3rd, 2022. We'll dismiss the case.
Bien, señor, y si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, le recuerdo usted, cumpla esas horas para el 3 de agosto del 2022 a más tardar.
Ok. Ya que he cumplido para el 3 de agosto, ¿me tengo que conectar por Zoom o nada más llamo por teléfono?
Okay, so on August 3rd, do I appear via Zoom or do I call on the phone?
Either or, it doesn't matter.
De las dos maneras funciona, no importa.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que pase usted buen día.
Igualmente, gracias, señoría.
Same to you, and thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Matilda Chavez, case number SP 134-65551. Appearance for the record, please.
Ahora llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Matilda Chavez, SP 134-65551. Que digan sus nombres para que consten el acta, por favor.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Chavez. Ms. Chavez, please state your name for the record.
Soy Cherica Harris, la abogada defensora representando a Matilda Chavez. Señora Chavez, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es Matilda Chavez.
My name is Matilda Chavez.
All right, do you need an interpreter, ma'am? Good morning to you.
Buenos días usted, señora. ¿Y necesita usted un intérprete?
Sí, buenos días.
Yes, good morning.
All right, this is a prime example of instead of going to pay a ticket to always setting a court date up.
Aquí tenemos un buen ejemplo de que uno no debe inmediatamente ir a pagar una boleta de infracción, sino fijar una fecha para comparecer en la corte.
Ms. Chavez has paid 3 related civil infractions. One is a moving violation that's going to put 3 points on her driver's license. And the other one is a no proof of insurance, which she's probably going to have to get a special clearance for.
Y por esta razón digo esto, la señora Chávez ya pagó por 3 boletas por acciones civiles relacionado a esto. Uno le costó 3 puntos en su licencia. El otro era por no tener comprobante del seguro de seguranza para el vehículo, lo cual siempre va a tener que pagar costo para aclarar el asunto en el expediente, perdón.
Okay.
Ms. Chavez, do you have a valid driver's license?
Señora Chávez, dígame, ¿tiene usted una licencia vigente de conducir?
No.
No.
Are you eligible to get a valid driver's license?
¿Y usted califica para que le den una licencia de conducir vigente?
No lo he sacado.
I haven't taken one out.
Are you a United States citizen, ma'am?
¿Es usted ciudadana de los Estados Unidos, señora?
No.
No.
Representing Ms. Chavez, Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm willing to dismiss this ticket based on her payment of related civil infractions, but if you'd like to speak with her in a breakout room, I don't know if she wants to be able to set aside anything or not.
Bueno, ¿quién es la abogada para la señora? Es la señora Harris. Sí, su señoría. Bueno, quiero que sepa que yo estoy dispuesto a desestimar esta boleta basado en que ya ella ha hecho tantos pagos para las otras boletas que había recibido. Pero si usted, licenciada, quiere ir a hablar con su cliente privadamente, avíseme.
Your Honor, my question to the court is, if you set aside the payments for the civil infractions, the no proof of insurance, will that work?
Su señoría pregunta que tenía yo para la corte, si usted deja a un lado los pagos que ha hecho, entonces la otra situación funcionaría entonces con la otra situación de no tener comprobante.
Mr. Lanton, turn your camera off, please. And wait till I call your name. Well, the only thing is, if she's not eligible for a license, I don't know. You know, these points will drop off in 3 years. But if she's trying to get some for a license, I don't know. You know, the no insurance will probably impede in that, for at least briefly, for 30 days maybe. But I don't know.
Bueno, la cosa es que ella no califica para que pudiera sacar una licencia y los puntos se van a desaparecer en 3 años.
So I can dismiss with basic for paying related civil infractions if you want.
Así que yo puedo desestimar el cargo que falta debido a que ella ya pagó por las otras infracciones civiles, si es que usted gusta.
And I want to say we would take advantage of that, Your Honor. My concern is, does she have any other points? Is there any way, if Madam Clerk could check that for us?
Y le diré a usted, su señoría, que estoy inclinada a aceptar la oferta, pero primero quiero saber si ella tiene algunos otros puntos ya en su licencia. La señora secretaria de la Corte, ¿pudiera, por favor, verificar esa información?
Well, what we can do is, if you want to set aside the responsible fees, we can, probably set aside the responsible fees. I'm sure the city attorney will not object, you can set aside the responsible pleas and have your client plead to the amended count of allowing, and then we'll just use the fines and costs that's already paid and close the matter out.
Bueno, sí, entonces si queremos poner a un lado los honorarios que se tendrían que pagar por responsabilidad de chofer, entonces la abogada para la ciudad puede permitir que ella se declare culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido un chofer sin licencia a conducir, y lo que ya haya pagado en costos en las otras boletas se pudiera aceptar como final.
And we would accept that, Your Honor. We would also ask if the court might consider making that a delayed sentence and close and dismiss upon payment.
Y nosotros estamos dispuestos a aceptar esto y le pedimos a la corte que nos dé una sentencia aplazada.
I think that would be best if she's trying to get a license. Thank you, Your Honor.
Creo que así le funcionaría mejor a ella si es que ella está tratando de conseguir una licencia.
Okay, do you understand what's going on, Ms. Chavez?
Señora Chávez, ¿entiende usted lo que es que está pasando?
Más o menos. Bueno, es la primera vez que paso por todo esto, entonces entiendo un poquito.
Well, more or less, this is the first time that I'm in a situation like this, so a little bit.
Breakout room with Ms. Attorney Harris, so she can go over that stuff we just discussed with you, and you let us know what you want to do, all right?
Bueno, entonces la vamos a pasar usted una sala de consulta privada con su abogada defensora, la señora Harris, para que puedan hablar de lo que ya hemos dicho y podemos regresar y usted me dice cómo es que quiere proceder. ¿Está bien?
All right.
I'm running it again because it came back like no match, double checking just to make sure.
Okay, Mr. Lanton, what's going on, sir? Mr. Lanton? Mr. Lanton?
Yeah, I keep getting no match. One more share. Thing or something. Because she don't have a deal in the ticket. Let me run that. Let me see if she ever had to give it to me.
All right, Officer DeVosto, let's call the case for you.
Okay.
She might have a deal name or something. She and making us the records for her.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ahmed. Ahmed, case number SP 1282413, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1282401, SP 1292491, counts. Correct that. SP 129.
Excuse me, sir.
Hold on a second. SP 1292401. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Officer David Delbo.
So, Mr. Boski, that case that you're on, it doesn't appear that you are, yours is up for a formal hearing today. It appears that yours is up for an arraignment. Let's see. Yes, yours is not up for formal hearing today. I got the other cases that are up for formal hearing. Your client is not here. Do you have a file? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show cause your client. He does have a valid driver's license. So we'll see. We'll give him another opportunity to come in before that driver's license gets messed up again. It's 8:30. If he was supposed to be here at 8:30, it is now 10 o'clock. So we'll show cause the client again. All right. Officer Tabasco, only thing I can say is, well, yours is set for arraignment today. I don't know if you're on those other tickets or not.
Yeah. It shows here.
Yeah, I guess you're on. I guess you're on all of them. He has an attorney of record here. Maybe we can get in contact with his lawyer. Call this lawyer, 313-657-6532. Roger Korean.
What's the defendant's name?
Ahmed. Hold on a second.
Hi, this is Cabrera, Judge Perkins, Mexico courtroom, and I'm calling about
Ahmed.
No day. Is this Camarena? Oh, Tony Camarena, I'm sorry. I know that. So, Judge, what did you want to know? He's in the middle of court, Attorney Camarena.
Well, he's supposed to be in here.
Oh, he's supposed to be here.
His client's got a formal here.
You asked someone to come get you.
This is for Ahmed. He has some traffic tickets. He was scheduled for hearing.
8:30 a.m. He's the attorney of record.
License improper, and he was speeding as well, 6 to 10. Yeah, in fact, yeah, he had a lot of tickets.
Yeah, bro.
Hold on a second, Mr. Lanton.
Hello?
Yes. Why are you back, sir?
So I seen you for the loitering ticket already.
No, you have. Well, that's what you saw me for today. We set today for 9/13/2022.
Well, it's a formal hearing.
Watch your language, sir.
Let me hold on. Let me see what he says. Judge, Attorney Perkins said he needs a short adjournment, about 3 minutes.
All right, but don't tell him what are we calling him for what it is. He's the one that's supposed to be in here. We're doing him a favor.
So you want it on, it could be.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Lanton.
So I already seen you for the loitering ticket.
Yes, you saw me for the loitering tickets. You're gonna come back on September 13th.
All right, so nothing else?
Did you call those other courtrooms?
Yep.
Did you set up a date for those dates?
One of them just said, I gotta pay the $10 fee.
Who said that? All right, we're getting, apparently council is asking for a new date, Mr. Officer Bosco, for Mr.
So are we setting all of these for trial? Are we just setting ones for?
Set them all.
For trial? So we can, if it's okay with you.
I don't.
All right, let me see.
Not August the 3rd, because that's the community court date.
Well, just, I was just trying to keep it in sync with this,
Okay,
because it was, a.
okay, that's fine.
Okay. All right, thanks for holding on, Attorney Green. The judge said it's okay, they'll short adjournment, it's gonna be August the 3rd. We gotta leave, give 3 weeks to officers to. Well, he's here, he already know. Huh? Let's not worry about the, I can't, because we on the record right now, just, okay? Be grateful for the adjournment, okay? All right, bye-bye.
Good morning, APA Cole.
Good morning.
I think we're all set.
Oh, great. Then you all have a nice day.
Have a better one, thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna write on your papers, August the 3rd.
August the 3rd. All right, August the 3rd, that's gonna be a formal hearing / trial on all the matters.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, have a good one. Take it easy.
Thank
Be
you. You
safe.
too. Thank
Be
you.
safe.
Yes, Your Honor.
About so.
Is that it, Judge?
Looks like it's it. We got, yes, yes.
For the, this last person that we just did with Officer Dobosky, what was the name for this person?
Ahmed, he's at 8:30, top of 8:30.
Thank you.
I think we only have one person in the breakout with Chavez. Two people, Groff, and Marquez Goodwin. They left.
Excuse me. Terrible. This one. Yeah, Calvin. today.
Sliver, man, just a sliver.
Is that Mr. It's not him. You don't necessarily have to get it.
Sure.
Yeah, because he's not, he just.
Okay.
I just want his name down, so he may be in the.
This was the.
You don't have to pull that.
You sure? We didn't. He was set for that. Trial?
You just set for a show cause.
Oh, okay.
And he's got a bunch of them.
Did you get a chance to meet the,
No, it's 10 o'clock.
did get a chance to walk outside. They was like still standing out there.
Were they?
They set it up in front of the courthouse.
Eric Holder was out there.
Well,
still?
he wasn't out there. I did see somebody that looked like him a little bit, but it's like a younger version of him. Kids and everything, but I seen how they had the chairs set up outside. That was kind of cool. They should have just put it on the grass. That would have been nice, because that grass is, you know,
It wasn't, was it?
it wasn't, but that would have been nice on the grass, because it's like, and, there's the other one still up there. I want to go get some.
Hey, we're back on the record with Ms. Chavez. Ms. Chavez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Bien, así que vuelve y se abre la sesión con el caso de la señora Chávez. Señora Chávez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada defensora en una sala de consulta privada. Dígame, licenciada, ¿qué tiene que hacer?
Your Honor, after discussion in the breakout room, my understanding is that my client wants to take advantage of the offer wherein she would plead guilty to the misdemeanor and her fines and costs from the civil infractions would be applied and everything would be closed and dismissed upon payment. But we want to confirm that that is correct with the court.
Bueno, después que hablé con mi cliente en la sala privada, es que hemos quedado de acuerdo que ella le gustaría declararse culpable al delito menor. Quiere que la corte use el dinero que ya ella ha pagado para que cobra los costos y entonces que todo quede cerrado. ¿Es eso lo que usted nos había dicho, su señoría?
That would be correct. We can do that.
Eso es correcto, podemos hacer eso.
You want to do that, ma'am?
¿Y es eso lo que usted le gustaría hacer, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, lo juro.
Yes, I swear. ¿Puede ya bajar la mano?
All right, do you understand that you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issue?
¿Y comprende usted que si usted no es ciudadana de los Estados Unidos, una condena de un delito menor puede que resulte en consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this off, you're going to give up that trial right?
¿Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted va a renunciar el derecho de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo distinto de lo que ya hemos hablado y de lo que ya consta en el acta?
No.
No.
Okay, let's add case numbers SP 1346544, counts 1 and counts 2 to the record.
Así que vamos a añadir para que conste en el acta estos casos SP 1346544, cargos 1 y 2.
And let me draw your attention back to April the 28th, 2022 at around 9:34 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodmere and Avis, ma'am. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Your Honor, I didn't hear the month. Would you please repeat it for the interpreter?
April 28th, 2022 at around 9:34 a.m. City of
Thank you.
Detroit in the area of Woodmere and Avis.
Así que, señora, entonces le requiero llamar la atención a la fecha del 28 de abril del año 2022, aproximadamente a las 9:34 de la mañana en la ciudad de Detroit. Se encontraba usted en el área de las calles de Woodmere y Davis cuando un policía del departamento de policía de la ciudad de Detroit se le arrimó.
Sí.
Yes.
On that date, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese día el policía le preguntó a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
Y eso usted no lo pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
You could not produce that license, could you?
Usted no pudo enseñarle la licencia.
No.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I am going to, you wanna make that motion, counselor?
Así que voy a encontrar que usted es culpable al cargo modificado de haberle permitido a un chofer sin licencia a conducir. Abogada, ¿quiere usted hacer esa moción que iba a hacer?
Your Honor, we would move to set aside the responsible admissions with regards to the civil infractions. We would ask that any monies be refunded and or applied to the misdemeanor matter for which Ms. Chavez has entered a guilty plea.
Sí, su señoría, nosotros le pedimos a la corte que dejen a un lado todas las admisiones de responsable que ella presentó y que le regresen el dinero o que usen el dinero para el delito menor.
I'm going to grant that motion to set aside the responsible plea. I find that Ms. Chavez was not represented by counsel of that issue, and she did not know the implications of just. I find that difficult.
And justice don't belong here to live, so I ran.
Did you get that, Ms. Villaroo?
Right up to implications. I couldn't hear anything after that.
All right, let me re-say that. I'm gonna set aside the responsible pleas. I find it good cause because Ms. Chavez was not represented by counsel and did not understand the implications of that. I'm also going to enter allowing a guilty plea to allowing. I will apply the monies that were paid to the allowing from the responsible pleas. And with those monies, that'll satisfy the fines and costs that I was going to assess, and I'll dismiss the case.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Así que entonces voy a poner a un lado las declaraciones de responsable que ella había presentado anteriormente por los otros casos. Encuentro que tenemos buena causa para hacer eso porque ella no había tenido el consejo de una abogada anteriormente. Entonces ahora voy a aceptar la declaración de culpable y voy a usar el dinero que ya se ha pagado para los otros asuntos menores para satisfacer los costos y las multas y queda todo desestimado.
Okay, if it's nothing further, Ms. Chavez, I muted you, ma'am. You have to unmute yourself. If you don't
Señora,
have
prenda el audio.
If you don't have any further
Okay.
questions, we're going to dismiss all your matters will be dismissed. You have a very good day, okay?
Bien, señores, si usted no tiene nada más que decir, entonces todos sus asuntos hoy quedan desestimados. Y le deseo a usted buen día. ¿Está bien?
Sí, muchas gracias, su señoría, igual que tenga buen día.
Yes, thank you very much, Your Honor, and I wish you the same. I wish you a very good day.
All right, thank you.
Bien, gracias.
Are you free to leave, ma'am?